Let's make some dragon puppets.
Alright, for this puppet, we're going to be making 2 origami cups. So we're going to need 2 squares. First square, fold, big triangle. Then we're going to take this edge and go to the bottom edge. So if you ever try like this folds down to touch here. Kind of looks like we're making half of a paper airplane or something. Then we're going to open that up, and that is going to give us a guide. That point right there where the fold meets that line, we're going to make this corner go up and touch it. And that'll give us a nice flat part across that will make a little triangle on the top. Then we look at this corner, and we take this piece. This little tip goes up to that, match that corner. And take one of these and fold it down. Now we have our first cup. Let's do it again. Triangle. Match up the sides. Find the point. Find the other point. Fold down. And there we go. Now we have 2 cups. And we're just going to put these cups together. Use some glue here. I'm going to fold this guy down. I'm just going to tuck inside. Put a little glue. Light it in. Doesn't have to be too close. Let it dry there for a bit. Maybe this guy could become a tongue. All right. And that is the idea. Ha 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 ha. All sorts of different styles. Want to get real fancy? Take the bodies we made, add it on. So then you have a full dragon puppet.